lots of amazing vehicles and marks. This is my collecting bucket. So let's start to collect these toys and vehicles. First of all, guys, look at this. Big toys. This is like water gun. Okay, put it here. And next, two amazing big vehicles. Put in our bucket. And next, my friend, big toys. This is like fighter jet plane. Put in the bucket. To another big vehicles. Put it here. And next, amazing toy. This is like marks. Put in our bucket. To another big vehicles like fire control car and truck. Put it here. And last, amazing toy. This is like double decker bus. Okay, collect and put it here. Wow guys, water, amazing fresh water. So friends, first of all, the big toys. This is like fire control vehicles. Okay, after washing these vehicles. Wow, my friend, just look at this. What is this, my friend? Amazing white and red color combination, super duper premium quality fire control vehicles. Put in the ground. Another big toys. This is like double decker bus. Okay, after washing this bus. Wow, friend, just look at this. What is this, my friend? Amazing premium quality double decker bus vehicles. Put it down. Another big toys. This is like a marks. Okay, after washing these marks. Wow, friends, just look at this. Amazing white, green and black color combination. Super duper premium quality Hulk marks. Put it down. And next, my friend, another big vehicles. This is like monster car. Okay, after washing this car. Wow, friends, just look at this. Amazing black and yellow color combination. Super duper premium quality monster racing car vehicles. Put it down. Another big vehicles like school bus. Okay, after washing this bus. Wow, friends, just look at this. Amazing white and yellow color combination. Premium quality school bus vehicles. Put in the ground. Another big vehicles like a crane. Okay, after washing this crane. Wow, my friend, look at this. Amazing white and green color combination. Super duper premium quality crane vehicles. Put in the ground. Another big vehicles like truck vehicles. Okay, after washing this car. Wow, friend, just look at this. Amazing red, white and black color combination. Super duper premium quality truck vehicles. Also put in the ground. And next, my friend, another big vehicles like fire control car. Okay, after washing these vehicles. Wow, friend, just look at this. Amazing red and white color combination. Super duper premium quality fire control vehicles. Put in the ground. And next, my friend, another big toys. This is like water gun. Okay, after washing this gun. Wow, my friend, just look at this. Amazing green and purple color combination. Super duper premium quality water gun toys. Put it down. And last, amazing vehicles. This is like fighter jet plane. Okay, after washing this plane. Wow, friend, just look at this. Amazing white, red and orange color combination. Super duper premium quality fighter jet plane vehicles. Put in the ground.